This is $20. I'm getting some ideas. What's up, y'all? It is Brielle Brene here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button because you're going to love it here. And if you're not new here, what's up, girl? Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to a new video. I am really excited about this one, y'all. We are going makeup shopping. This is my first video of this kind, and so yeah, I'm ready. I know y'all are used to me going hygiene shopping, but I was like, let me switch it up because it's getting warmer outside. I got a trip coming up and I want to be able to master a soft, glowy glam, I guess you could say. And with that being said, I do need some different products to be able to make that happen. And so I'm going to be getting a few things, and I was like, let me take the girls with me. Okay, let me take y'all with me. So yeah, hopefully you guys love this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and comment. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and head out, and I'll see you guys once we make it to Ulta.
We'll do this one on this side. This one melts in nicely as well. But if you are gonna get tanner, I don't want it to gray out. So this one is a little bit warmer. It just really depends what undertone you prefer.
Okay. Because I definitely don't want to be gray, but I'm open to like trying a different skin tint. Oh, the Anastasia one.
The stick.
What do you think about that?
I don't really, I like the stick because ideally it looks really nice, but their shade range is not it.
It's not good.
It's not it, no. But I can definitely try the Kylie one that I was talking about. It dries down more to like a natural matte finish versus this one is more of like a shine.
Okay.
Yeah. So let me go grab that.
Okay. And that was 12.
That was 12. On this side is 12 and this side is 11.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'll grab the Kylie one and see which one you like better.
Okay. So I'm currently trying to get matched with a skin tint. We did the milk one, and then I was thinking about getting the Anastasia one, but she said she doesn't recommend that one, so we're not gonna do that. And she's about to get the Kylie one for me right now. So we just gonna see what it's giving, but she did put it on my skin. It's a pretty good match.
This one more on top. This
Ooh,
one literally melts into the skin. So this one's gonna provide like a light to medium coverage. If you ask me, it gives almost a full coverage in some areas. But the color is really great because it's not too orange.
I want something as close to my skin tone as possible.
Because I like this one, but it's pulling a lot of redness.
You can see it.
Yeah. And then this one, like I said, it's like a little bit too light in these areas,
right?
Where we naturally, as women, we get dark here,
right?
But this one's perfect. So I'm gonna remove this and then put it all over the cheek.
Okay, let's do that. Yeah, let's do that. I can even see it, so that's
perfect.
That's really good. Does honestly, it like oxidize and get darker? No.
I changed the brush so you can see how it is when it does give you fuller coverage.
Okay.
And this is a blurring tint, so it's gonna help to blur any skin texture or anything going on like that.
Okay, we love that.
It's a perfect match.
Yeah, I like it. How much is that?
That one is not that expensive. I can double check for you, but it's not.
Okay, cool. It's perfect. She put it all over my face, and then she gave me like a little blush. She was so sweet. Thank you so much, Denise. She was so sweet. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go with the Kylie skin tint, and my shade is 9W. So yes, we got our first product. Okay, I had to put my mic on because I don't know what I thought I was doing. Like, duh, you need the mic. The next thing on my list to get is one of these lip velvets from Anastasia because I have one and I really like it, but I want one with a pinker shade. So let's see what they have for me. So they have Rosy Mauve. That's too red. They have Kiss. This one looks more pink, so let's see. It's still not pink enough. I don't know. Am I being too picky? Y'all, all of these shades are in the wrong slot. Okay, let me see. Hush Rose is cute. I can't find Kiss right now. Okay, no, Hush Rose looks the exact same as the other one I tried. Pink. Okay, I'm not really crazy about the lip velvets. I don't feel like they're pink enough. So instead, I'm gonna try one of the lipsticks and see what that's giving instead. Okay, so they have this beige color. That's the color right there. Praline. it's just a little bit too much. So I'm not gonna go with that one. I think this beige one is the winner, so I'm gonna pick it up. And I might not actually get it, but I feel like it is the perfect shade, so I probably will. But we just gonna see how much stuff we pick up, and then you know how it be when you get to the register. Okay, so I do need a new set of brushes, and I think I'm just gonna go with Real Techniques, and I'm in front of a large section of brushes and sponges. I need sponges too. And so yeah, I'm low-key thinking that I'm just gonna go with the everyday set, but I really don't need the blush brush that's in here, but I need the other ones, and I feel like this is gonna be my best bet. So this is $20, but I feel like it's worth it. I mean, you get a lot of stuff, so it's fine. Okay, so I am by Juvia's, and I need a lip pencil from them. And then I also wanted to get a different color blush. The blushes are looking a little picked through, but so are the pencils actually, but I was able to find the shade that I like to use. They have a good amount of shades, but I really like to use the shade Cola to give me that nice chocolatey brown on my lips. And I also just really love their lip pencils. I feel like they do a really good job of just like gliding on your lips. And so yeah, I had to re-up on Cola. And I really think I took the last one, but she's that girl. And they literally never have her, so it just makes sense. Okay, so I'm looking at the blushes, and I can't even show y'all the one that I use at home. I use volume 4, but the tester is not out. And then, I don't know, I just wanted something different for, you know, the spring, summertime. This is volume 5. This one's pretty, but they don't even have it in stock unless it's at the back. This is a volume 3. They also don't have this one up here, so maybe I would just have to ask. These are really the only two that I'm interested in. The other ones are just too dark or too light. I'm probably just gonna have to ask and see if they have these at the back, and then if not, I guess we just won't leave with a blush. Also, for liquid blushes, I do have their liquid blush in the shade Pink Lady. Ew, it's so nasty. This is the shade right here. For highlighter, I like to use the highlighter by the Revolution brand. This is the highlighter Reloaded, just my type, and it's only $7, and it works really good, don't sleep. I just came across these little Milani cream blushes, and this shade is so pretty. This is in the shade Cheek Kiss. If you're on the hunt for a clear lip gloss, the Revlon Crystal Clear Lip Gloss, 10 out of 10. It is my favorite lip gloss right now. And they have it right here, so you already know I'm gonna get me one. I really need to get 2, but I'm getting a lot of stuff today, so we only gonna get 1. But I honestly really love this lip gloss. NYX has some really good butter glosses. Y'all probably already know about them. Even if you're not really that into makeup, you more than likely know about the butter glosses. They're really good. They have a lot of different shades. 2 of my favorite shades are Fortune Cookie and Creme Brulee. Those are definitely top 2 for my lip combos. So yeah, I have them at home, so I don't need to get it today, but just so you know, if you didn't know, now you know. Okay, so now let's talk about e.l.f. I got their Halo Glow back when I didn't know a thing about makeup, but I honestly think that the shade that I got, which is shade 7, was a little too dark. So I'm gonna get shade 6. I think it's gonna be a perfect match. Do I really need it? No, but I think it'll be a nice pair with my skin tint. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this. And then the lady that was helping me do my skin tint match was telling me that she likes to use this e.l.f. setting spray on herself and her clients. She's a makeup artist. And so I'm looking at this and I'm like, I'm getting some ideas. But she pairs it with, I wanna say the One Size or the Charlotte Tilbury. I honestly can't remember. But I'm on the hunt for a setting spray that's going to do well with my glowy, dewy makeup in the spring and summertime. Okay, so I am by NARS. They do have some blushes, but baby, I don't like the price. Is it wrong of me to be makeup shopping and worrying about prices? I don't know how I feel about the price. They have the mini blushes for $17, so maybe I can go that route. But the big ones are $34, and I just don't want to spend that right now. Since we're already over here, for foundation, I do use the shade Marquises in the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. But yeah, y'all, I'm trying to decide, because I really want to get a blush, and then we can go. But do I want to pay for it? Thank you. You too. Okay, y'all, I am back home and we got the goods. Let's get into this haul. Starting off with these brushes, I got this Real Techniques Everyday Essentials set. And I honestly feel like this is the perfect starter kit. Like if you're about to get into makeup, this is the perfect set. You only have to get like a few other brushes to kind of just, you know, top everything off. But this is what I started with, and I love these brushes. Honestly, it was just time for me to get some duplicates, so I went ahead and picked this up. It's perfect, and it even comes with a little sponge. Speaking of sponges, I did go ahead and pick up this little sponge set. Honestly, sponges get dirty so quick, and yes, you can wash them, but honestly, I'd rather just get a new one. Like, once this orange thing turns brown, we go ahead and get another one. And then moving on, I know I showed y'all this Revlon gloss. I am in love with this lip gloss. It's not too sticky. It gives you the perfect shine on your lips. It's just a really good gloss. I also picked up this liner, and this is by Juvia's Place in the shade Cola. They honestly have a really good lip liners. I've only tried their lip liners and NYX, but honestly, I prefer theirs, and I just love the ones that are retractable. I'm not really a big fan of the pencils. So yeah, I love this shade as well. It just comes out really nice on my skin. It's the perfect brown shade for my skin tone. So I got this as well. I also picked up this e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and this is perfect for wearing it alone, or you can wear it under your foundation. For me, I'm thinking about wearing it under my skin tint, and so yeah, hopefully it comes out good. I actually already have this. I have it in the shade 7, and I got this last year, but this was just too dark for me, so I was like, let me get shade 6. Let me see what that's hitting for. So hopefully I like it, but if I don't, it's going back to the store, because no. Next up, I got this Anastasia satin lipstick in the shade Taupe Beige. And although it says that it's beige, it does give you like a little pinky undertone. And so I'm hoping that it gives what I want it to give when I put it on. We'll see. And then last but not least, I got the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint. I honestly have not seen anything about this like on TikTok and stuff. I really just told her, like, just give me a good recommendation, and if it's in my price range, I'm gonna go ahead and buy it. And so she recommended this, and so far so good. It looks good on my skin, so it's perfect. And that is all I got. That was literally 7 items, you guys. 7 items. It was $133.67. To think that I wanted a blush too, and the one that they were recommending, it was like $40. Yeah, not today, baby. Not today. Maybe another day when all I need is a blush and something else, but not today. I wasn't really trying to splurge. So yeah, I'm happy with everything that I got. Y'all let me know if y'all like this video, if you enjoyed it. If it's something that you want to see from me more often, I'm definitely open to doing it, because I just really want to expand my makeup collection. I might show you guys what it looks like when I use these products that I got. Other than that, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, please don't forget to give me a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.